Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Michelle Nedwick and I make healthy lifestyle videos that include new recipes, some fashion content, some beauty content, a look into my crazy life, and I am also documenting my journey on compounded Tirzepatide. So yesterday I filmed a video where I told you that Mike and I got engaged. But I also was telling you about Zappy Health. Now, just to recap, about 3 weeks ago, I ordered 3 more vials of 15 milligram Tirzepatide from Zappy Health, and they had been using a pharmacy called Usea. Now, Usea has fallen into some controversy in these last couple weeks. Apparently, they do not have the proper permit to do sterile compounding. So there's a whole uproar going on right now. But in the meantime, I hadn't heard what Zappy was going to do, where they were going to send my order. So I would email them and they would say that my order was still processing. And that was the stock answer I got a couple of times. So finally, yesterday I emailed them and basically said this was stressing me out. I'd like to know what pharmacy my products were coming and when I could expect them. And they emailed back Usea. And I was like, well, okay, isn't Usea facing disciplinary action for not having the proper permits for sterile compounding? And I got the response, an agent will contact you. So that kind of sums up yesterday's video. So today, one day later, I get this package from Hallandale Pharmacy. And actually, last night I got a notice from FedEx that they had received a shipment and that it would be delivered today. And I figured out what it was. So they got right on the ball. Oh, and I did mention in my email that I had a YouTube channel and I had referred several people to them and wanted something good to report. So I think maybe that's what did it. But anyway, I thought I would do a quick unboxing because I have not used Hallandale Pharmacy before. So I am not sure what to expect. Okay, we got this blue box, and inside of it, here, let me move some stuff around. Okay. So this blue box, okay, that's just my receipt. It says, don't just manage your wellness, master it. Okay, so nice blue box. And in it, okay, so it looks like I got 3 packs of insulin needles, and included with the pack looks like several alcohol swabs. And it looks like it's 10 syringes a pack, so plenty of syringes. Now the real thing I'm excited to unbox, oh, and speaking of boxes, Leo is right down here getting in the blue box. But, okay. So I got 2 of these bags, and in these insulated bags is a big ice pack, and it's still frozen. I'm gonna put that down here. And it appears, oh, hang on. Okay, these must be vials. It looks like there's a whole nother package here, so I'm not sure. Let me read what this says. So Hallandale looks like they do 1 milligram per unit. So for 15, and that's what I was supposed to receive, it looks like it says 5 milligrams. Yeah, 5 milliliters. So there's 5 milliliters here, and it says inject 15 or 150 units. So that's how you would get to 15 milligrams. And I'm going to have to find my readers here. Hang on. All right, so I'm looking for the bud date. The compounding date is December 18th, 2024, and the beyond use date is December 18th, 2025. So that is very good. This has a 1-year bud date. And I have heard good things about Hallandale. So let's see, I'm expecting the same thing in all these. So, all right, yep, same thing. Let me check the bud date on that. Yep, the same. All right, let me open this other bag and see what I got here. Okay, yep, ice pack's still frozen. And it looks like another 3 vials. And it looks to be the same. Yep, again, the 12/18 date. All right, let me finish unboxing these, and then I'll show you the insulin containers I bought on Amazon to hold my vials. All right, be right back. All right, so I had originally bought my first insulin case, and I showed it to you in my week 11 results, along with some other products that I like. But this one would hold 6 vials. But then I decided, since I was stocking up, to get one that held more vials. And you can see it has these like foam fillers. All right, so let me organize here. All right, so this one is essentially empty. I just, I don't know what to do with that little bit of Tirzepatide. It's like liquid gold, so I don't want to throw it away. But looks like this is, whoops. So this is my stash, and like I said, this one's virtually empty. I'm currently working on this one. These are 7.5. And then these are 10 milligram vials. This little one is a 12.5 milligram vial, and those are from Usea, and I'm still going to use them. These two are 15, and then all of these are 15. So I think I'm all set. So I guess the upshot of this is Zappy Health came through. So I know I was questioning what was going on. I don't think they knew what was happening with Usea. Obviously, they would not have used them if they knew they weren't properly licensed. And they are trying to make things right. So if you did use my referral and you ordered through Zappy, I think they'll come through. And if not, I know they have been issuing refunds. All right, well, I'm going to sign off. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like it below and subscribe to my channel. And tick that notification bell so you are alerted every time I upload a new video. All right, I will probably post before New Year's, so I will hold off saying Happy New Year's until the next video. So I'm gonna say goodbye for now, and I will see you next time.